Today let's see how the automatic street light works. It will be on during the night time and off during the sunlight. Now I'm unable to show the sunlight, that's why I'm using the flashlight of the mobile. You can clearly observe when the flashlight is held on the LDR, the LED will be turning off. Welcome to Think a Tank. In this project, I'm going to use the breadboard. So I'll just explain you how to use the breadboard. Breadboard will be having plus and minus rows. A, B, C, D, E, F are the columns. Internally, connections will be there for the entire plus row and for this entire minus row. Plus will be the power supply row, minus will be the ground row. Coming to the columns, these columns are vertically connected. So these are vertically connected. If you connect it to one column, entire line will be connected. Same goes with the topmost vertical columns also, but between these two there will be no connection. You need to topmost horizontal rows are again the buses which are connected horizontally, same as the bottom one which I explained you before. This is the circuit diagram of the automatic street light using breadboard and LDR. Components used for this project are one number of breadboard, one LDR, that is light dependent resistor, one 1 kilo ohm resistor, BC547 transistor, one number of LED and one battery for power supply, and also jumper wires for connection purpose. Now let's see how to hold this BC547 transistor. Hold it from the flat surface. Flat surface should be towards your face. So from the left it is collector, base and emitter. Now I am taking the breadboard and plugging the BC547 transistor as it is. So the flat surface is towards me, collector, base and emitter. Now I am looking at the circuit diagram. You can clearly observe LDR is in parallel with base and emitter. So I need to connect LDR in parallel with base and emitter. This is LDR and I am connecting this in parallel with base and emitter. Now LED's negative is connected to collector and LED's positive is connected to resistor, that is in series with base. So I'm taking the LED. LED's shorter length is negative and longer length is positive. So I'm connecting the negative part of the LED in series with collector. Now the LED's positive part is in series with resistor, which is in series with the base. Now I am going to connect the resistor in series with LED. Resistors, one side is connected to base and another side is connected to positive of the LED. So this is it. Now I am connecting the jumper wires for power supply and ground. Now I am connecting the battery to positive and negative of the breadboard. Once I connect the battery, the LED starts glowing like this. And when the light is fallen on the LDR, the LED stops glowing. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.